Al-Imam al-Jazuli included in the Dala'il itself many attributes of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I counted them, and the total number is 580 in the Dala'il plus 201, 781 names and attributes of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam included in Dala'il al-Khayrat. He speaks about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam being sinless. He speaks about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's miracles. He speaks about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam bringing revelation to us. He speaks about Jibreel conveying the wahi to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he mentions here something that is very important: names of the prophets and messengers mentioned in Al-Quran Al-Kareem. And this is very beautiful. It's quite difficult for people to get a list of 25 names unless there is a poem, didactic poem to remember. But any ordinary reciter, regular reciter of Dala'il al-Khayrat will tell you the names right away: Ilyas, Shu'aib, Al-Yasa, Adul-Kifl, Hud, Salih. Very easy because they are all included in Dala'il al-Khayrat. He made sure to include the names of all prophets and send salawat to all of them. In a multi-religious society like this, where you have believers in Prophet Moses and believers in Prophet Jesus, Sayyiduna Musa and Sayyiduna Isa alayhi salam, I believe it should bring more peace and more harmony to these societies. This is why I believe that Dala'il al-Khayrat is a source of peace. And embracing this book should bring peace to the society and to the community that spreads this book and says this salawat. Because a believer himself would be a source of peace, following the example of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik ala man ismuhu ashraful asma. سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم سيدنا أحمد صلى الله وسلم عليه وعلى آله سيدنا حامد صلى الله وسلم عليه وعلى